Hey everybody, it's Matt Hickey again. In my last video I showed you how to pull analytics from Faqplus. In this video I'm going to show you how to pull analytics and connect to the tickets table within Faqplus. The tickets table contains the escalations, or when a user clicks Ask an Expert, those get recorded in the tickets table. So by doing some analysis of this tickets table, we can ultimately improve the efficacy of the bot. Right? Which questions are not being answered by the bot that are being escalated to a ticket? We can do some analysis on that and then improve the overall service. So there's a couple ways to connect to the tickets table. One is with Excel. So if we go in Excel and we click Data and we click Get Data from Azure and Azure Table Storage. Now it's going to ask for a endpoint, account name or URL. We get this from Azure. So if we go into our resource group for our bot and we click on the storage account and we click on properties, at the bottom here's a primary table service endpoint. That's what we want. So copy this, paste this into Excel. Oops. Now the first time you do this, you're going to be prompted for a storage account key. I've already connected this table, so I'm not prompted, but the storage account key is also in Azure. So again, in the storage account, we go to Access Keys, copy this key here when you get prompted for the key. This only have to do that once. So here I am back in Excel and I'm connected to my storage account. I want the tickets table and I want to transform this data. So within the query editor, we're going to look at this column called Content with a bunch of records, and we'll hit these opposing arrows pointing in opposite directions to expand this. Now I want to click Load More to make sure all the fields are loaded, and I want to click OK. I want to click Close and Load. So here we are. We have a live connection to the tickets table that backs Faqplus. The other way to do this is Power BI. So very similar steps. Get data, more, Azure Table Storage, connect. The URL for the table endpoint, click OK. Again, just like Excel, first time you'd get prompted for the key. And again, we're going to have to go through a transform process. So the tickets table again, transform data. There's our Power Query Editor. We're going to blow apart the content. Click Load More. Click OK. And click Close and Apply. So now we're loading, again, the tickets table into Power BI. We can start doing some analysis. I'll show you a quick analysis I think is particularly interesting, and it's using a word cloud. So if we click here on our table, we should see all the records have loaded in. And we think about which field will we key off for a word cloud. I think it would be content description, right? What are the questions people are asking? What are the escalations that people are asking? So let's get some themes about those with a visualization. So word cloud's actually not included in Power BI, so I'm going to click the ellipse here, import from Marketplace, and look for the word cloud visualization. There it is, click Add. We'll click the content description, and then we'll click our word cloud. So just a simple example of some analysis that we can do on the tickets table to improve the efficacy of the bot. Hopefully you picked up some tips. Thanks.